athi siyakholwa ngosiko Jesu, siyamazi ngoJesu, nathi njengoPeter sizohamba phezu kwamanzi, and umfula abebefuna ukuthi bacrosse kuwo ubunamandla beqeda ukunizwa. And so uma becrossa amandla amanzi ayabasweeper and they died. And abantu bathi yabona lo nkulunkulu wenu is not genuine. uNkulunkulu wenu uhluleke ukuthi asize abantu kade beyinkonzweni for him. The problem that they did was to generalize the promise uNkulunkulu abeyenze to a specific person. God is not everybody's God, he is your God. uNkulunkulu wants to speak